Hola, it's Gabi here for Café Gabi, and today I'm going to make a tag using Versamark ink in watercolor paper. The watercolor paper that I'm using right now is called Montbao from Canson, 300 grams. I'm going to stamp popcorns. After that, I'm going to use white embossing powder, and I'm going to set the embossing powder with my heat gun. After I finish, I'm going to color my popcorns with the clean brush, clean color brush in yellow. I'm not going to add any other color, just yellow, and some parts I'm going to make it darker and some lighter. And after that, I'm going to use red, but when I mix it with water, it's going to look more pinkish. I'm going to surround the popcorns darker than the rest of the card. Okay, after that I'm going to apply a lot of the same color but mix it with a lot of water, filling up the rest of the card. And it's going to look weird at the beginning, but then we try it's going to look perfect. After going to color the eyes and the mouth of the popcorns with Pico Embellishers Irresistible in black. And after coloring the mouth and the eyes, I'm going to cut a green piece of scallop, and I'm going to cut it in green and in white because I want to stamp the words to and from in the back. I'm going to glue my popcorns in this, and I'm going to add a ribbon in green and in pink. Also, right now I'm adding my sentiment. I try to manage the ribbon to make it look pretty, but it takes me sometimes. I think I need more practice in my ribbons, but I managed to do it the way I want. After that, I'm going to cut the long pieces of the ribbon, and I will add some pink sequins, and that will be it for my tag. Well, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card, goodbye.